There's a new kid in the Raging River Trail Network, and we're going to talk about it today. It's called Lower Return Policy and is an extension of Return Policy, the nearly 3-mile climb gaining more than 1,000 feet of elevation that puts you back up from no service to near the top of the Raging River Trail, where you have multiple descent options, including either riding the trail down or CCDH. Lower Return Policy is a new machine-built trail that eventually will help connect riders to Tiger Mountain and its fantastic network. For now, it ends down by the river after about 2.5 miles of around 650 feet of descent, so you either do an out and back or you connect with dirt roads back to the Raging network. The trail is fast and flowy, nothing dramatic really, but a nice single track through woods and clear cuts, wildflowers, scenery of the mountains around. It's meant as a connector really, not a destination trail. Although for now it doesn't really connect to anything, but it will. And here's a sample of what to expect. Enjoy and hope to see you out on the trail. Oh yeah.
Look at the big.
Oh yeah, big
you
tread.
can just tell from the acceleration. That's what I was talking about.
Okay. So all along this section we were seeing fresh motorcycle tracks, and later found out that indeed motorcycles are accessing this trail. Woo! Trail dagger. Wow.
That's Tiger.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, you're right.
Holy shit, Batman.
Holy shit, Batman.
Yeah, we're almost to Tiger. I thought you said you rode down here.
Well, I wasn't paying attention to where I was. I don't know where the hell I am most of the time. You know that.
That's so funny. I think, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe no, that can't be Tiger.
Yeah, there's
No, that's the mountain that must be Tiger over there.
Taylor. Yeah.
Yeah, because I was thinking, wait, there aren't high.
No.
Plus, you'd be hearing the road.
Yeah.
The highway.
No.
I don't know where I am.
Yeah. Once you hit the clear cut, you're on an established trail. Not sure what the usage was, but it's been there a while. And it takes you almost all the way down to the river.
This is funny. This feels like an old trail.
Oh, yeah, you got a point. Yeah. You're pretty sure right over there is Tiger.
And then past this ridge right there is the Highway 18.
Highway 18, yeah.
I think.
Yeah, we're kind of guessing, but those power lines up there must be Taylor Mountain. I've seen them on maps, But I've never seen them in
Yeah.
person before. So once you drop down to the river, there's really no place to go except back up the way you came. You can connect with any of the road crossings from the trail, but we just decided to do an out and back, or rather down and up, back to the main road and the return policy climb. Woo! Yeah, it switches back and drops just pretty fast. Yeah.